Hi, yeah, actually it's Hannah Rogers.
Okay.
I guess I'm logged in on the wrong device. um, yeah, well, first, just thank you, Council, for holding these opportunities to speak with you. And I realize that you will probably not be able to comment on my questions, but I appreciate the time to be able to share and speak. And for the record, I moved here 3 years ago from Vancouver with my young children, specifically for, as we all know, the schools and the safe neighborhoods. I love walking and with my strollers and all of that, love hanging around the park. All my kids are about to enter into elementary school at Dorothy Fox. Well, some of them in a few more years, but I really love that we have the ranking as the third safest city in the state. I'd love to keep it that way. But I'm thinking that takes a little more foresight and planning. And it's possibly an area that we can improve on. And I think it's very unfortunate that Camas residents have had to put forth the effort to file an appeal to the city to try to stop a drug rehab being placed next to Dorothy Fox when it seems a rather obvious and ill-advised location, which poses an increased safety risk. We can talk about how much or how little, but it is an increased safety risk to our children. We as residents have desired to speak to our city council during this entire process, but have been blocked from doing so by different rules and regulations and things at every turn. And now that we have an appeal filed, we're still barred from speaking. So we're kind of in the same place as before, I guess. I don't know if it's possible the city council might not be getting good legal advice. I don't know what there is to hide and how dialogue can hurt anything. And we truly want to be allies with the city council on this matter of such great importance and safety, but here and now for the Dorothy Fox area community, not just in the future for other school zones. I know that you're aware of some of the information that we've uncovered, and we're kind of confused about when city council knew that city staff had told applicants in response to their request for assurances, quote, that their application would fall under a type 3 rather than type 4. I know that in a response to citizens' FOIA requests, did city council know that there was a 6-week period of silence in the middle of those emails? And did you know that the city then immediately after this mysterious period where the city supposedly went dark on the topic, suddenly told their applicant that it was a type 4 or 3, making it easier on them? I might have my 4s and 3s mixed up, but it just interesting how that switched. And I'm not sure what the city council knew about that. As a mother of 3 children, young children, whose lives now are potentially going to be less safe, living very close to the Fairgate facility, we really want answers to these questions. And we really want elected officials and representatives to represent us and not hide behind technicalities or lawyer advice. There just comes a time where children's safety is the utmost and most important thing. And we need representatives to fulfill that moral and civic duty to protect the people that they're sworn to serve. That's all I have to say. I really hope we can find a good solution for our community here now. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your comments, Hannah. We appreciate that.